there. This is the Blount County storm, and again, for those of you in Blount County, go ahead and go to a safe place right now. Don't delay on that. Also, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for Walker County. That would be this thunderstorm near Jasper. That's in effect until 12:30. A severe thunderstorm warning for Lamar County in West Alabama until 12:45. And that tornado warning for Blount County is in effect until 12:45 this afternoon. Quickly, some reports on damage. A number of damage reports have been coming in. Raglan in St. Clair County, that's near the Coosa River, has been hit hard by a tornado about 1 hour ago that crossed the river, did some damage in Ohatchee. We'll have reports from the scene here coming up in just a moment. Also, there's been a lot of damage between Anniston and Gadsden, especially in the area north of Piedmont. Again, we have news crews at all of those scenes. We'll have information just as soon as they report back to us. In terms of injuries or fatalities, that's really sketchy right now. We haven't heard of any officially, but of course, should that change, we'll let you know. But one more time, let's just stay with us here at Channel 6. We'll be in and out of programming, but for the moment, we have a tornado warning for Blount County. That's in effect until 12:45. For this thunderstorm right here, for those of you that live in Aniana, go ahead and go through your tornado safety plan right now. Also, we have severe thunderstorm warnings for Lamar and Blount counties, and all of the area continues under a tornado watch in effect until 4 o'clock this afternoon.
Proud to be on that station as well. So what we have at this hour, Aaron, tornado warning in effect until 12:45 for Blount County. We have reports of a tornado on the ground in the Nectar community in Blount County. Also, tornado warning in effect until 12:30 for DeKalb and Jackson counties. We have reports of a church down near Fife. Now, as these storms moved through Guntersville earlier, we just got word that the road behind Guntersville High School, which is Spring Creek Drive, the authorities are having trouble getting to help the victims because the road is so covered with debris. So be patient. Help is on the way. But there was apparently a lot of debris with either a microburst or a small tornado in parts of Marshall County earlier. Now, that storm that moved through Guntersville earlier is now in parts of DeKalb, and looks like mostly DeKalb County. Having severe thunderstorms where you are, there's a chance of some heavy rainfall, which could add insult to injury. Also, tornado watch in effect until 4 o'clock this afternoon for all of North Alabama. That's in effect once again until 4 o'clock. Also, you folks in northwest Georgia, plenty of...
Clair County and on and across northern Calhoun County in the area from Raglan to and including Piedmont. We've had several reports of things like injuries, certainly in and around Raglan in St. Clair County, reports of injuries and perhaps one fatality too. We're trying to confirm that for you. That's in Raglan and St. Clair County. We can confirm two now in Blount County. Indeed, within a short time ago, a tornado did touch down along Highway Road 9 there in Blount County. In Piedmont, in northern Calhoun County, apparently several people, maybe as many as 100, were trapped in a church for a while. We don't know the current situation there. That would be in the northern part of Calhoun County. So that path of the storm that appears to have caused the most damage came out of eastern St. Clair County. Actually, it developed earlier today in extreme eastern Jefferson County and western St. Clair County, moved on across in Raglan and St. Clair County, damage reported there, and then across northern Calhoun County like so to Piedmont. Those two spots, Raglan and St. Clair County, Piedmont and Calhoun County, appear to have been the hardest hit. Again, we have reports of many injuries, at least some injuries in Raglan and St. Clair County, perhaps one fatality, and many reports, too, of folks trapped in a church in Piedmont in the northern part of Calhoun County. Now, right now on radar, there is development. If we look at 13 First Alert now, we'll give you a breakdown on where County, Jackson and DeKalb County still under tornado warnings. The counties in yellow all under severe thunderstorm warnings.
Management agency reports that a tornado or funnel cloud has touched down there. Excuse me, it happened in the Happy Home subdivision behind Guntersville High School. Injuries were reported and emergency crews are on the scene. We do have crews on the scene there as well, and we'll get that information to you as soon as we can. Now, just a reminder, in the event of a tornado, what we recommend and what the National Weather Service recommends is that if you are in the path of a tornado, you need to get under cover as soon as possible. The safest place is a basement.
Area. So again, we have had injuries in this Raglan-Ohatchee tornado, but we don't know how many right now. And also this other mark you see here on the map, that's Piedmont, of course, between Gadsden and Anniston, a tornado touching down there. Whether it was the same one, we don't know at this point, but nonetheless, a lot of damage there. We don't know about injuries. So So those are the 3 spots where damage has occurred earlier today. Let's go back to our Doppler 6 radar and again point out quickly the remaining watches and warnings that we have. And even though the storms have weakened slightly, we'll point out that we still have a very volatile atmosphere and other warnings may be required. In fact, even as we speak, I think we have a new warning that's coming across. And we'll pass this on. This is a tornado warning now for Etowah County. Okay, this includes you in the Gadsden area. And what we're going to do right now is kind of zoom into this storm on the radar and talk about the Gadsden area. This is a tornado warning from the National Weather Service in Birmingham that will be effective until 1:15. For those of you in Etowah County, Weather Service radar indicates a tornado moving into the Walnut Grove area. Walnut Grove is out U.S. Highway 278 west of Attalla, and this particular thunderstorm will keep on moving to the east, and Walnut Grove is right there adjacent to Blount County. So this is the same storm that prompted the warning earlier for Blount County.